Good evening everyone. I am Sania Banu studying in 10th standard from Brilliant Model High School, Mancherial. Today we are going to learn an important activity from biology first lesson nutrition. The activity is how carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is nothing but the process by which the plant prepares its own food with the help of carbon dioxide, sunlight, water and nutrients. We are going to start the experiment. For this experiment, we need a potted plant with a wide leaf, iodine solution, bottle filled with a potassium permanganate with a wooden cork and a scissor. To start this experiment, first we need to place this plant under the dark room for 2 to 3 days. Now we place this plant in a dark room for 2 to 3 days so that the starch present in the plant gets finished off. After 3 days, we took the plant from the dark room. Now we are placing this plant in the sunlight. Now we are going to start the experiment. We have to take a bottle filled with a potassium permanganate and a wooden cork. The potassium permanganate absorbs the carbon dioxide which is present in the leaf. Now we are going to start the experiment. Choose a wide leaf from the plant. Now insert the leaf into the bottle. Now we are inserting the leaf into the bottle. Now we are inserting the leaf into the bottle through the cork. We have to place the rubber cork so that the air does not enter into the bottle. Now keep the leaf in the bottle for 5 to 6 minutes. Observe what happens. After 5 to 6 minutes, take the leaf from the bottle slowly. Now I am going to take the leaf from the bottle. See, this is the leaf which I have inserted into the bottle. Now with the help of a scissor, I am going to cut the leaf. Now I have cut the leaf from the plant. Now I am going to pour the iodine solution on the leaf. Pour 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution on the leaf. After few minutes, the leaf turns into the black or blue color where the starch is present. After pouring iodine on the leaf, see what happens. The part which we inserted into the bottle is in green color. The part which is out of the bottle turned into black color. This is because starch is present in the leaf. From this experiment, we understood how carbon dioxide is necessary for a plant for photosynthesis process. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel.
If you need like this important matters, please subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you everybody.